Welcome to our comprehensive guide on email marketing software. Today, we'll explore how these tools can elevate your marketing strategy. First, let's discuss the numerous benefits of using email marketing software, from fostering customer relationships to boosting your engagement rates. Choosing the right software is crucial. Consider your needs, budget, and features to find the perfect fit. Let's set up your account. Follow these easy steps to get started with your email marketing software. Next, learn how to create compelling email campaigns that captivate your audience and drive action. Segmentation is key to personalization. Discover how to divide your audience for better engagement and results. Analysis is vital. Learn how to interpret your campaign performance and metrics effectively. Discover best practices for email design and content creation that resonate with your audience. Automation can save you time and improve efficiency. Let's explore how to automate your email marketing processes. Thank you for watching. Now that you're equipped to dive into email marketing, what are your next steps?